We have set up a list in your project to house subcontractor forms. In this list, you will find form submission entries and the form to copy the link from. Navigate to the Form tab and select Copy Link at the top right. Navigate back to the main project folder. In your main project folder, select Automate towards the top right and select Add Automation. Down towards the bottom left, select Email, and towards the top, select Custom Automation. Select your email address from the dropdown and hit Select. Here we're going to see when this happens, do this action. What we want to do is when our task for the weekly subcontractor report, the due date arrives and it has the tag of weekly report, we want it to then do the action of sending a subcontractor an email with a link to the form. So what we're going to do is hit this drop down and type in due, and we're going to find when due date arrives. We want to add one condition. Tag is weekly report. So when the due date arrives on the weekly report task that has the tag of weekly report, we then want it to send this email. In the to, add your subcontractor emails. CC yourself and anyone else you feel would be important to see this email weekly. For the subject line and body, we're going to click in the body of the email and scroll down. Select the magic wand at the bottom for email templates and select Weekly Subcontractor Status Report. In the body of the email, add a couple spaces and paste the link to your subcontractor form. Down towards the bottom, hit Create. Hit X, and now your automation is a part of your project. In the search bar, type Report to narrow down the list of tasks. Once you navigate to Report Weekly, you're going to assign yourself and select a date. Select the due date you want the task to send to your subcontractor. If you want to send Friday the 24th, send it on Friday, and then down here, select Set Reoccurring. What we want it to do is when the task is marked as done, we want it to create a new task automatically. Hit Save. Make sure this is set to Not Started, and you are good to go. Right here under due date, you can see a small little circle that says Weekly, and you know that you are set up correctly. That is the steps to the automation of the weekly subcontractor form.